Here in this video, we will show you how to automatically install WordPress on new accounts in a server. Sometimes we would like to offer our customers with automated WordPress installations in new cPanel account. In order to perform this, first of all log into your WHM root and then go to Install CP Add-ons site under cPanel section. So go inside cPanel and then click over Install CP Add-ons site software. Select cPanel WordPress option and then scroll down. Click over Update CP Add-on config. This will take some time. Now the step 2 is to log into your FileZilla or WinSCP at root level and then go to the given path, that is /usr/local/cpanel/third-party/bin. Now from here, you simply need to create a new file with the name of wp-auto-install.sh. Once this file is created, simply edit this file and paste following code. This code is also given in the description box. Once this file is saved into your server, now once you create a new cPanel account under your WHM, then WordPress will be installed automatically by default. You can control each and every things of your WordPress manager via WordPress. You simply need to search WordPress in your cPanel account and you will find WordPress Manager, which controls each and everything of your WordPress. If you are looking for an experienced and reliable web hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. You must give a try.